Hi there, everybody. I'm here with Lili Gavrilovic, who is a body worker of about 10 years or so, massage therapist. And this conversation is going to be about compatibility between massage therapy and Dearmouring. So, Lili, could you introduce yourself a little bit and just tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do?
Hi, I'm Lily. I'm being a massage therapist and body worker, and I also do yoga, teach yoga for more than 10 up to 15 years. So this is my main occupation, and I start doing the armoring for about half a year now. So yeah, that's me.
Great. And coming from a massage background, how do you find the mix between the Dearmouring and massage? Does it work? Can you see that massage therapists could benefit from Dearmouring, or do you think that's not really necessary? Or yeah.
Yeah, well, for me, it was a really big opening. Being as a massage therapist, I was looking for something else. I was kind of fed up with just doing massages all the time. I finished lots of different style of massage therapy, and it's for me it was very beneficial because I was always in the comfortable level with the client, just bringing physical body to relax, and it was good. But with the armoring, you really bring yourself to a lot of challenges, being holding the space and just be there for client and go into emotional part of the body and also how the energy field is working. So I was really searching for some technique or work like that. So yeah, it's beneficial a lot in my field.
And how do you find it with clients? You obviously need to tell them that from now on you're using the Dearmouring techniques as well. How do you find them kind of switching from expecting a normal massage and then to actually receiving the Dearmouring, which is quite intense?
Yeah, I'm still in the processing of doing that because I have so many clients coming in for massage because I've been doing that for so long. And I'm still looking for more Dearmouring clients. It's also in this part of Europe, it's kind of difficult that somebody just come in for this kind of session. So I talk a lot about it, what Dearmouring actually is and how it worked for me. And so I do a lot of pro bono session just to give them a little bit examples because I'm still finding myself as a beginner. It's been just half a year for me. But yeah, I did quite a lot of sessions so far, and it's been wow. I mean, even for me, it puts me in a place that I want to grow more. So yeah, it's challenging. It's a lot of responsibility, and it's
What's challenging? What's challenging?
that it's not like just pleasure and wow, massage and feel so good. It's really, I mean, first few sessions, clients were like, it's a lot of screaming, crying, all the emotional release. I live on the attic, so for me it's perfect to do session because there's no neighbors around. But I had a woman coming in and she was really releasing a lot, and I kept catch myself like, whoa, what neighbor's gonna, all those, things. But now I'm getting more comfortable about it, just to see where it goes. And I think step by step, my goal is to remove massage techniques. Massage, being just a massage therapist, I want to become a really good Dearmouring worker.
So for the other massage therapists out there, how would you summarize the biggest difference between massage and Dearmouring so that they actually understand the overlap of the two techniques?
Yeah, well, being massage therapist, it really helps you because you have already art of touch. You do with touch a lot, and you can relax. It's really important in the beginning that you really relax the client completely, that he can trust. And if you're a massage therapist, that's a great tool. And then the main difference is for me that you really work with emotional part of the body and with the energy, and it's just life force energy, really being present and be there every second. So that's the biggest difference, because when you know massage technique, you can maybe think something else, you know, you can be there for them, but also you can go a little bit. But here in the armoring work, you have to be 100% there, and it's not a fluffy thing. It's really deeper part of body releases.
Because
And
this was sorry, this was my other question for you. Like, so this is for the clients how they experience it, but how is it for you as a body worker? What would you say to other massage therapists if you wanted to train in the armoring and include it in a practice? What is required of them, or what is needed of them?
It's needed that they want to challenge them more. They want to work with different parts of body, like energy, emotion, and they want to trigger maybe, the pain part of the body, and just to challenge themselves more if they don't want to work with just physical parts of the body, you know. For me, this is also now when I have more practice doing the armoring work, is also to feel in which phase of my life I'm now, how my capacity of holding the client and what's trigger me inside. And so it's also give me opportunity to be real, connect to myself more when I give this work, you know, through love, being so much humble, you know, in the heart, and just to be in service. So you're not your ego, oh, you come here for massage, I'm gonna fix you. I don't know that. So it's every session is a new challenge, and if you like challenges, and that's something deeper than just a massage. You
Great.
never know how it's gonna end too, you know, how it's gonna start. It's all exploration. So yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Lily. I mean, is there anything else, maybe any other message to massage therapists out there? Anything else that it's in mind they wish to share?
Yeah, I really would love lots of massage therapists to join this work, because it's profound and it teaches you so much work. You can use massage therapy as a good introduction into deeper parts of the body, releasing. And at the end, you help yourself, others, and it's kind of exploring and tuning into this beautiful work. So yeah, for me is still I still searching for essence, like what's the main essence in me, because every session is different. So I'm always like, you cannot fix yourself, oh, this session is like this, my essence is this and this, because it triggers me. I mean, I just open and invite the guidance to come, and then let's see how it goes. And when I present this work, maybe it sounds like I'm not that convinced, but then I just pray for trust, you know, and then it starts. So yeah, I would invite everybody with a lot of practice or not. Sometimes I find like the softness in the hands, being so many years with massage, that it's a little gone. So it was really important for me to find back that soft level of feeling, you know, because I was doing so much work with hands, and was really amazing. Wow, I cannot sense that you know, really profound energy. And now, thank God, I found it with a lot of practice. Now I'm still just trying to feel more energy than just, you know, skin to skin rubbing.
Great.
So that's the
Great.
main dream for me.
Great. Great. Well, thank you so much, Lily. It was a real pleasure talking to you. And actually, I would like to have another conversation with you maybe in another 6 months or a year when you had a little bit more practice, and actually a lot more, and then to see even deeper understanding of how you actually integrate the massage and the armoring. But for this time, thank you so much.
Thank you, Dan, very much.
All right. Ciao for now.
Ciao. Bye-bye.